During the previous classroom videos, you were provided examples of students using technology for information, for creating original works, and for collaborating. Although it is difficult and costly for any school or classroom to stay current with technology, this environment does not require that every classroom be equipped with the latest technology. The main points to remember when rating this environment are that learners should have continuous access to the available technology as an instructional tool and demonstrate proficiency when technology is used. Now, watch a group of high school math students use graphing calculators, a digital tool, to solve math problems. Remember to listen and look for items G1, G2, and G3.
If you
You
divide
divide
log
log
of 6 by log
point-
of 0.3.
That's what you would do.
We did
Correct.
that. I just
And
didn't
then you
write
solved
that.
for x.
And then we added 2 and we got this. Unless the math went wrong or something.
I got a negative number.
Yeah, exactly.
Negative
But then you
point
added
67.
No, then you subtract 2.
Okay.
Wait,
Wait,
no,
no,
you're right,
you
you're
add
right, you're right,
2.
you're
I
right.
feel like you guys are kind of different on your
It's
answers. Get it settled out.
1.328 is what I got.
1.328.
I got 1.328.
Calculators.
Did you find that somewhere around the room now?
I can go look.
That's probably a good thing to do.
Probs.
'Cause it looks like, as long as you punch in your calculator, it looks like all the steps are correct.
I got 1.328.
1.328. It's something like that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go look for it. I mean, that one over there is like 1.4.
I plugged it back in and it's 30.2.
And it needs to be what? Okay. So good. So that means that you probably got it correct,
But
right?
it's not, that answer's not anywhere on here.
In the beginning of the video, you saw the teacher question the students about their process to find the answer to the math equation. So, how would you rate the items in this environment? Of course, G1 is clearly demonstrated just by the activity itself. Students had to use a digital tool for this math activity. A couple of students to the right of the screen picked up their graphing calculators to recheck their calculations, while one student responded to the teacher's questions. When the teacher stated that she felt the group members had different answers and they needed to sort out the correct answer, the students collaboratively worked to solve the equation. Did you see the student standing on the far right move his graphing calculator to an area on the table so that the other students could see the answer? This action demonstrated G3. G1 is rated evident because most of the high school students were using the graphing calculators to gather and evaluate information for the purpose of solving math problems. Although the learners collaborated on the information gathered by one of the students, it was not clear that all learners were using the calculators to draw their own conclusions. G2 is also rated evident because at least half of the students used the graphing calculators to conduct research to solve the math problems assigned to them. G3 is rated somewhat evident because just a few of the students collaborated near the end of the video, and this collaboration was observed only once. When observing this environment, focus on the authenticity of how the students use digital tools to enhance or improve their learning, and the quality or level of difficulty of their work on the digital device.